Sales funnels are very, very important in selling pretty much anything online. Today, I'm super excited because I've released FunnelKrafter. This is a template based on Divi, which will make the process of building sales funnels much, much easier. In fact, let me show you how this works. So this is the map of our funnel. We have our landing page, our checkout page, upsell, downsell, and thank you page. Now, this condition here is going to determine whether they are going to get a downsell or not. So if the condition here is true, they're going to go straight to the checkout page. If they don't purchase the upsell, they're going to go down to the downsell and then finally to the thank you page. Where FunnelKrafter comes in is in the design of these steps. So take a look here. We have now our landing page, and if I scroll down here, it has the benefits. It also has the customer reviews. It also has the frequently asked questions. So what makes this really, really cool is it is mobile friendly, so it can work on smartphones. It can also work on tablets. So let me show you now what happens if your customer is to come and buy this particular product that we are promoting here. So according to our funnel map, this should take us to the checkout page. So now I'm going to scroll down and pretend as if I'm buying this product. I'm going to click on next, and then over here, I'm going to say place order. So now we notice that we're on the upsell. So back over here on our map, we were on our checkout page. I clicked to buy, and now I'm given this upsell. So what happens now is I've got two options. Either I can purchase the upsell or I can decline it. So let me show you where those buttons are right here. So I can add to order or I can say no thanks. So if I say no thanks, it's going to take me to the downsell. And all these steps are all connected. I can say either no thanks or add to order, and this should now take me to the thank you page. So let's go ahead and do that. And there we go. Now we are on our thank you page, which means the map here of our funnel is working. Adding the designs onto all these pages is purely drag and drop. And this is where the FunnelKrafter files come in. So you can see them here. We have the landing page, the downsell, the checkout, and the upsell. So all these can just be dragged and dropped into the pages themselves. Edit with the Divi builder, where it says no file is selected. You want to go to FunnelKrafter. And then this is our landing page. So double click on landing and then click import. Okay, so now our design has been imported into our page. All we have to do now is to go in and change our images, change our text. Now let's talk about the pricing. The FunnelKrafter template is going to cost $149. And I know you're probably thinking, whoa, that's crazy. Well, this is going to come with a detailed course that shows you how to make money with the actual funnels. So if you purchase this, you're going to have automatic access to the course, which will be releasing very, very soon. So at the moment, because the course is not there, this is going to be going for $49. So you need to make sure you lock into this price as soon as possible, because once the course is released, I'm going to raise the price to $149. So if you're a lifetime member on Funnels to Income, you get this absolutely free. So this is very, very important. All the templates that I'll be creating in the future and all the courses are going to be 100% free for you. So I'm going to send out an email of where you can download it and start using it right away. All right, guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Take care.